that XCon is a festival of construction equipment. It's wonderful to have all our customers visit our lineup of machines. JCB, as always, is going to showcase the largest lineup of machines, right from 52-ton machine on one side to a 1.5-ton machine on the other side. This year XCon is going to be special. We have got people from 60 countries who are visiting us. We have got our customers coming all across India, but also from Africa, from Southeast Asia visiting us. And JCB, as always, has created a buzz by launching new and innovative products. More importantly, these products have been engineered looking at the needs of our customers, not only in India, from outside. And this helps us present the complete lineup of machine. You will see this is not only the traditional backhoe loaders or excavators, but right up to the skid steer loaders, the mini excavators, the compactors, the wheel loading shovel. On telehandler, which is a special machine, we are launching the 18-meter, first time in India. An 18-meter telehandler is being launched. And a question which always people ask us, what are you doing about agriculture? Now, traditionally our machines have been used in agriculture, but this year we are launching our AgriMax, a product which will be very beneficial to our farmers who are using presently a Jugaad type tractor loader, which is not safe, which has so much of clutch application, not easy to use. We have launched the JCB AgriMax, which can be used in multiple industries on the agriculture side with different attachments. And I'm sure this machine is going to really help our farmers. So in a nutshell, we are all excited to be here in Bengaluru for the XCon meet, and we look forward to sharing our brilliant products with our customers. And at the bottom is our focus on JCB. We say it is Bharat Ka JCB. The country is talking about Make in India for the world. We are very proud that we are exporting to more than 135 countries from India, including to USA, Europe, UK, all the developed part. And that tells you about the quality and reliability of our machines. So thank you very much.
And we are the only organization which also offers an uptime guarantee, because for the customer, the biggest cost is breakdown. And today we, on our products, are confident to offer uptime guarantees, and that's something which we offer on a host of our products. While we do this for the current, we also keep the future in mind, looking at alternate fuels, focusing on sustainability, and obviously focusing on made in India for the world. So we are basically customers' partner for a better today and an even better tomorrow. Stage 5, we had a change in the emission norms, which kicked in from 1st January 2005. So we had the machines with stage 5 coming in. And unlike our competitors, we launched these machines from the 1st January 2025. We had done more than 200,000 testing hours on these machines before we launched it on the 1st January. We made them easier to service with the help of remote diagnostics, so it's much more convenient for the customer. We reduced the total cost of ownership by being more fuel efficient, increasing the maintenance timelines. We also have a stage 5 compliant engine. We've moved on to LiveLink, which basically gives you a host of information to the customer to use his machine more effectively. And so basically it's a design which will ensure that despite the cost increase which comes with any emission change, his return on investment actually gets better at stage 5, because we've reduced the maintenance cost, we've reduced the fuel consumption. So those are the machines which we launched, the entire wheel range of machines, backhoe loaders, 5 models, 3 models on telehandlers, 3 models on wheel loaders, 2 on skid steers, and 2 compactors, all stage 5 compliant, right from 1st January 2025. Our range of excavators, the smallest one being 1.8 tons, it goes to 5.5 tons. For convenience, we could not put all these slides on the same page, but we have the full range right from 1.8 tons to the 52-ton excavator, which we are launching at this XCon. This is the largest excavator which is designed in India, manufactured in India for the world. Nobody else uses India as a global source for a 52-ton excavator. We are the only manufacturer who have designed this product in India and would be catering to the world requirements from India itself. Reducing the fuel and the maintenance cost, again 8% improved efficiency, better productivity, and it's a next level of performance. So For temporary operations, you could use the power boost, which increases the forces by 9%, low on maintenance, and there is an auto idle system. So if you look at it right across all product segments, the theme is the same: reduce the fuel consumption, maintenance cost to ensure that we put more money back into the pockets of our customers. And again, a 6 lakh saving over a period of 5 years. 290LR, it's again a new launch with improved reliability, better performance, because as the water table keeps going down, you require equipments with
And the cabin becomes like his or her office, where the person sits for 18 hours or maybe sometimes more. So that is why we have thought about the needs of the customer, the operator, and we have provided them that particular space. So that is why you will not see at many places, we are not only showcasing the machine, but we are showcasing a cabin. And the cabin has been created with the highest standards of ergonomics, so that when the person operates the machine, the challenge is not there, easily the knobs and everything are created in such a way. So I would request those of you who are interested to go and have a look at the cabin. So we are focusing on ease of use of the machine, more value to the customer, and more importantly, the comfort to the operator, because the operator is going to use the machine, and the operators are now becoming more demanding. They are sitting in nice cars, they want similar facilities. So that is what we have provided. So once again, it's wonderful to be here at XCon. As always, JCB has once again showcased the widest range of products. There are two products I didn't speak about them, and I want to talk a little more. The aerial work platform, again, this particular industry in India, there is a challenge, because till recently second-hand machines were imported to India from around the world. But we at JCB not only manufacture for the Indian market, but we are also exporting around the world. And you are seeing the complete range of scissors there. Also the telehandler. The telehandler is a machine like in India, people use a backhoe loader a lot. In the global market, people use telehandlers, particularly when more mechanization happens on the agriculture side and also for the construction side. So telehandler telehandler is a great product. I request you to please have a look. For years together, we have been asked, what are you doing about agriculture? Now, traditionally, our backhoe loaders and other machines have been used in agriculture. The telehandler again has a grab which can be used in sugarcane, cotton, and other applications. But we said, why don't we create a machine which offers more value to our customers? And that is how we have created the AgriMax. The tractor loader is a jugaad of a machine, not very safe. We have given customers a new machine, clutchless operation, safe, easy to use, with lot of attachments. So thank you once again, and I look forward to answering your questions. Thank you.
Namaskar, salam, walaikum, bagunara, sukumalo, sasrikal, copy to all. A super duper welcome to one and all. Welcome everybody to the great, grand, gigantic JCB Pavilion right here at XCon 2025. Well, idu bari ಒಂದು pavilion alla kandri, idu celebration of innovation, idu celebration of cutting edge technology, idu celebration of the underlying theme of the year that says better today, even better tomorrow. ಸ್ವಾಗತ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ವೆಲ್, ಈ ಪೆವಿಲಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟೆ ಭರ್ಜರಿ ಬೊಂಬ. JCB, everyone. When I say Nam Desha, you say India. Okay, let's go. Nam Desha. ಏನ್ ಈ ಶಬ್ದನೇ ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಧ್ವನಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. One more time. Nam Desha. One more time, I need it to be loud. Everybody put your hand up and tell me India. Nam Desha!